Hey guys, it's Gabriel Brown again. I have another case study I want to review with you to give you another actionable tip that you can use. This is a recent client that could not figure out why he could not lease an apartment. So we took him on as a client and started reviewing and requesting his consumer files. And this is what we found. We found that this report was circulating about him, and it shows he has 29 evictions. And this client says that he's never been evicted before. This one report has a home rental score, a eviction score, a criminal record score, and a credit history score. This is one report. Now, let's review it. It shows here that they found some records in 2 states regarding rental history, as far as negative rental history. All right, they checked several counties that they believe they found some negative information, and 3 cities. Now, these are all the addresses. I redacted this information. All right. Now let's go through the report some more. Here we have the eviction history report or score. All right. Now look here. 28 evictions are listed. 28 evictions. And 2,767 jurisdictions were checked for this one report. And these are all the evictions that are listed. And guess what? This client says they've never been evicted before, let alone 28 evictions. Okay. Now, interestingly enough, we have some more information on this report. These are all the states that were checked, okay, and each jurisdiction in those states. I know it's hard to see, but I just want to do a quick overview of this information. All right, now here's the criminal record, 0 criminal record. 1,677 sources were checked to verify the criminal record. Now this is amazing. 0 results were found. Congratulations, 1,677 jurisdictions were checked in 50 states. That's amazing that one consumer file can have this much information. Sex offender, 0. States checked, 51. OFAC, 0. FBI wanted list, 0 results found. ATF records, 0 results found. Secret Service records, 0 results found. And all the congratulations, but 1,677 sources were checked for each, all right, of these files. And then, of course, a credit report. And all of this information was reviewed in one report. Now, this is what I want you to see. It says the information is provided by credit bureaus and can be self-reported. The information in this report is provided by credit bureaus and can be self-reported. Now, this consumer file needs, 1, to be cleaned and then frozen because it has inaccurate information. How helpful would it have been for this client to know that there was a consumer file reporting 28 evictions, all right, before he went around from place to place trying to get approved and could not figure out why. And we figured it out for him. So if you're interested in this kind of service, click the link below and schedule a free call with me. Again, it will be a free call. Just click the link below. This information is invaluable. This is, again, a part of the Wealth Score system.